Within the domain of extreme motoring, the 2025 BMW M4 Competition LCI reviews stands tall as an example of automotive technical precision and prowess. This coupe captures attention with its strong posture and aerodynamic delicacy, revealing a symphony of power and control. Each version delivers a unique combination of speed and sophistication, from its snarling twin-turbo inline-six engine, which can produce up to 543 horsepower in the CS model, to the dynamic interaction between manual and automatic gears. BMW continues to push the envelope with technologies like a Drive 8.5 and new lighting, making every drive an exciting adventure into the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Overview. The high-performance BMW M4 Coupe from 2025 is all business. Massive tires are dwarfed by dense muscular bodywork. Airflow is controlled by an oversized but useful front aerodynamic gadget, and a quartet of exhaust pipes loudly proclaims the arrival of its twin-turbo inline-six engine. The M4 benefits from the work done on its engine and chassis by the automaker's M Performance division, just like the M3 sedan with which it shares much of its structural and spiritual DNA. BMW's decision to maintain the time-honored setup for maximum driver involvement, which pairs a 473 horsepower twin-turbo inline-six with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear drive, in the base M4, says volumes. The competition trim increases output to 503 while doing away with the manual in favor of an 8-speed automatic. The competition has the option of all-wheel drive, and choosing AWD for the 2025 model year will result in a value-added bonus of an extra 20 horsepower, or a total of 523 ponies. Choose the CS model, which has an engine with 543 horsepower, for optimal performance. On winding back roads and track days, the M4's performance-tuned suspension will reward you with incredible grip levels. However, be aware that every pothole and imperfection in the road will be a constant reminder of how well-tuned that suspension is. This and the extremely complicated adjustable drive modes are two significant features that, in our opinion, rival vehicles such as the Mercedes-AMG C63, Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, and Cadillac CT4V Blackwing handle more deftly. What is 2025 bringing? An extra 20 horsepower is added to the competition coupe and competition convertible variants, for a combined output of 523 horsepower. The front and rear lighting components are redesigned, with the laser diode technology used in the tail lamps taking cues from the limited edition M4 CSO. BMW's most recent software, the Drive 8.5, powers the infotainment system, and the flat-bottom steering wheel gets a new spoke design. A recently released forged light alloy wheel design with a dazzling silver finish is also available. The CSL is replaced in the lineup by a new CS Coupe model, which weighs 45 pounds less and sports a twin-turbo inline-six that generates 543 horsepower. Performance, engine, and transmission. Fueling the M4 is a robust and agile 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbo engine available in 3 different tuning settings. With the standard M4 Coupe, this version produces 406 pound-feet of torque and 473 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual gearbox make it a strong and enjoyable option. The engine's output is increased to 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet in the competition edition, although only an 8-speed automatic transmission is available. A model-exclusive rear-biased all-wheel drive system is available for the M4 competition as a sort of consolation prize, but it does not provide the tactile excitement of shifting on your own. The top dog is the M4 CS, which is limited to coupe configuration and has an upgraded inline-six engine producing 543 horsepower. Cost and selection of items for purchase. The 2025 BMW M4 ranges in price from $80,275 to $124,675, depending on the specification and options. The M4 competition, especially the 2025 xDrive vehicles that receive a modest power boost, offers a compelling case for spending more money. Still, because of its rear drive, manual gearbox, and generally smooth ride, we like the standard M4. Along with the M-Drive Professional option, lap timer and onboard drift analyzer, and the M-Drivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and includes a one-day class for high-performance driving. We would also choose the lightweight and exceptionally supportive M carbon bucket seats.